B, C, D, E, F, G.
Let's learn the meaning of this particular and very important idiom. To be at one's wits' end. Friends, let's explore what is the meaning of this particular idiom. His parents were at their wits' end when they came to know that their child had been consuming drugs for past 3 years. As soon as she realized that she had lost her golden ring somewhere on her way from mall to home, she was at her wits' end. John found himself at his wits' end when one after another he faced huge business loss consecutively for 5 times. Let's explore the meaning of this idiom now. So the meaning is to be at wits' end means to be perplexed, to be unable to think clearly, to be unable to decide what to do, to be utterly confused and feeling helpless. That's it for today.